Hello, for my reflection, kind of the things I learned, it really kind of wasn't things I'm learning, just things I'm kind of reinforcing. The idea of the Google tools, the screencasting, some of the webcam, web chat features are kind of things I'll use. I'll use the Google Classroom, as you see here. I will use the Edpuzzle tool, which makes videos and kind of gives questions for students to look at. They'll do that on the kind of their asynchronous days. And then on their synchronous days, I will have them come to class, do more teaching activities, try to assess their learning, see where they're at, how they're doing with the asynchronous materials. Do that either in class or on their on the Teams app. And I'm also going to use some of these online math tools, CK12, things like that, for students to use to answer questions and check their learning.